Clay County in north central West Virginia, southeastern Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia, until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, prolonged rainfall over the past couple of days has caused flooding of low-lying areas and roads, creeks and streams, and culverts across the warning area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Clay, Sissonville, Clendenin, Anna, Walbeck, Walton, Looneyville, Left Hand, Harmony, Pocious, Tariff, Cantrip, and Ivydale. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page.
I wonder what all FM stations around here relay flood warnings.
WSR.
I wonder what all FM stations around here relay these alerts. Most of them should. What is this song?
Peter Gabriel.
Huh.
He was originally the lead singer for Genesis before Phil Collins.
Yep.
Collins was the drummer.
I had a feeling Peter Gabriel was going to get preempted. No, I didn't catch the counties before. Probably for Jackson or something.
The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flood warning for northeastern Kanawha County and central West Virginia, southern Roane County, and
are we northeastern Kanawha?
northwestern Clay County,
What part of Kanawha are we?
West Virginia,
Western?
Jackson County, and northwestern West Virginia until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Ooh, this is going to be in effect for a while.
6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Prolonged rainfall over the past couple of days
What if the BMX's relaying?
Virginia until 12:45 a.m.
Ugh. Such a distorted signal.
Daylight time, prolonged rainfall. Some locations that will experience flooding include Clay, Sissonville, Clendenin, Anna, Walbeck, Walton, Looneyville, Left Hand, Harmony, Pocious, Tariff, Cantrip, and Ivydale.
Don't worry. While this is going off, my radio's mom's place are going off too.
Possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown.
Oh yeah, that's right. I turned them off, so never mind.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
She'll probably be seeing like, some kind of a ticker at the bottom of the TV now or something. Her TV doesn't support the codes issued on channel 911-1. It's the one that says EAS, the Alt-East graphic on it. Her TV is the 47-inch Dynax, doesn't support the codes that are sent over that channel. But most things around here just run ticker tapes at the bottom of the screen. Why are their relays so terrible?